Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm at Burlington. I am here today to shop. So shop with me. Let's see what they have in the store. I will likely take you to different section. This one is $8.99. Alright, so here I'm looking at this fresh cropped button down sweater. Look at this. This is new in the store. Look at these beads on these. Look at this for $14.99. The quality is good. This is by Steve Madden. Tell me this is not happening for $14.99. Look, let me show you. Actually, this is Madden Girl. SteveMadden.com. The quality is good. Here we have this one by CK for $24.99. Here we have this one. Got these for $16.99. Okay. Look what we got here. I may not be talking much today because the store is so quiet. No music, which is good. This one is $12.99. Alright. $12.99 as well by the same brand. Alright. I want to go to handbag section. They have new handbags in the store. Let's see what they have there for us. $9.99. Okay. This is clearance today. It's on clearance for $8.19. Look. It's on clearance. $8.19. Also, this is on clearance. This will be perfect throw-on. You can, have your bikini, throw this on to the beach. This is clearing for $7.69 and it's in size 2X. Wow, okay. Let's go to handbag section. Okay, let me see. I'm looking at this one. Look at this cropped button down. No, sorry, cropped blazer for $16.99. NYCC. Alright, NYCC as well. $16.99. And here you go. Look what we got here. Alright. This is $12.99. Okay, come with me. Okay, to handbag section. Look what we got here by Steve Madden. Isn't this given for $37.99? I love the cardware. Look, it looks good. Yeah. Feels good. And this one was $108. You get it today for that price. This price, $37.99. Interesting. Up here, I saw this bag last season. It's back in the store by London Frog. The leather feels so soft, and I love the color as well. Good, big bag. All right, price is not on this. Here we have this one by this brand, and this one is $24.99. Bags in the store. Look, $32.99 by True Religion. Look at this bag. This is the first time I'm seeing this in suede. I've seen this at Marshalls and other stores, but this is the first time seeing it in suede. This is $21.99. Here we have this bag. I love the structure. I love how slouchy. This is $19.99. It's interesting, not bad. And here we have this one by Vivi. Let me check this out for you. Look what we got here. This is so cute. Chic. It's so chic. All right, let me take a good look. I love this. This is actually me in a bag. I love this top handle. All right, so let's see how much. This is just $29.99. I love this. Okay, I love this. Here we have this one for $27.99. This phone one by Karl Lagerfeld. Yeah, $24.99. No, this is Betty Johnson. Yeah, it looks like what Karl Lagerfeld will do. But that's interesting. Fun. Here we have this one by Steve Madden. This was $88. Today you get it. Stop price is not on this. Alright, let me take you elsewhere. Look at this. Look at this Karl Lagerfeld. Oh my god. This was $248. Today you get for $89.99. I'm not surprised. This bag is everything. I love it. Okay, the leather is so good. More black handbags down here. Look what one down here by Armor Clean. The structure is given. I love it. And this was $98. Today you get it for $29.99. Good. Look what we got here. Okay, yeah. This is interesting. For $19.99. Who made this bag? Okay. Look at that. Yeah. It's available in other colors. This and this. Let's check out what they have here. Beauty section. They have false eyelashes, different styles. Alright, look at that. This is $5.99. False mink lashes. Look at this. This one is $4.99. Okay. Yeah, $5.99. $3.99. Interesting. And eye and face book. Hold on, let me open this. This is good. Here you get 24 color eyeshadow palette, highlighter, contour, and a blush. $8.99. It's not actually given inside. I don't know why they brought it out. Look at that. Yeah, mascara. Yeah, different type of beauty products. Back here, more, $4.99. Yeah, lipstick. Yeah, interesting. Oh, yeah. If you are looking for good organizers, they have it available in the store. Yeah. Skincare, personal care, they got you covered in the store. Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking for one cream like that. This is good advanced firming cream. Yeah, it targets early signs of aging, dryness, dullness, and uneven skin tone. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Okay. Here's different types of boots here. I want to see if they have new boots here. The last time I was here, I saw lots of new boots. This one is on sale for 2019. Yeah. This one is on sale for 26.19. Look. I love this classic one in size 9. I wish I'll see this in black. The white is so clean. Alright, this one is 26.99. Look what they have here. Down here is this clean one for 17.49 on sale. Okay, here you get different types of boots. Snake print for 17.99. You can never beat this. The quality is good with square toe. Look. This is interesting in size 8. What? This is cool. Look. This is giving. So cool. So good. Okay, more boots down here. Okay, I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.